From the Academic Advising Office, congratulations on deciding to make SUNY Plattsburgh your new home. Our office created a series of videos as an introduction for new students to aspects of academic life at SUNY Plattsburgh. And we packaged them together right here on Brightspace, which happens to be the same learning management system that you'll use for most of your courses. The videos and other content in each module will give you a sense of the academic requirements and terminology and resources that you'll need to start and continue at Plattsburgh, which is why completing this tutorial is considered an early part of your orientation to Plattsburgh.
The videos will also prepare you for what to expect since monumental changes are about to occur. Even if you've attended college elsewhere or are from the local region, you will be surprised at the changes you will still experience. New people, geography, university customs, names of offices. We would like to help you navigate college and adjust more easily to the changes well before you start school. So what are the topics we'll cover? What about college schedules? Who helps you if you're in trouble? Common challenges and success strategies are just a few.
Not every word of the content will be equally relevant to each student. You're not all the same. You could be a first-time college student living on campus or a mid-career professional out of town in a fully online program. But even with the diversity of our student body, there are certain common topics and themes important for all to know, like your DegreeWorks audit report, course registration on our self-service banner system, and in general terms, what is required for a degree.
Because much of the content is essential, we're asking that you engage fully by accessing each one of the modules on this site. We understand your mind not be fully wrapped around the start of the semester already, and could even be tempted to procrastinate completing this tutorial. But the semester is closer than you might realize, and time sure can fly. So we timed this tutorial to occur close enough to the semester that you can use the information now and still recall it when you start school.
We cover quite a bit of content for you in our videos, but mostly keep them to a reasonably short length, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I realize that might seem like a long time when we're used to scrolling through Instagram Reels and TikTok videos. But because we care deeply about your readiness and success, we ask that you give it your time. You know, not taking shortcuts and fast forwarding through the information, because you're not likely to hear this information any other way. Or trying to answer the few review questions that we give you after each video part without having watched any content. We want you to master this information and have key points reinforced. To skip out on that doesn't help anybody.
Fortunately, you don't have to worry about watching everything in one shot. You can start and stop at any time. Your progress is saved automatically. You can also watch with family or others that support you. A commitment of just about an hour to 90 minutes total increases your college readiness exponentially and allows you to get in the right mindset for the adventure that lies ahead.
By attending to this content, you will be able to make better decisions along your academic journey, take charge of your academic life, and move more smoothly through the initial adjustment to SUNY Plattsburgh.
If you are ready to proceed, advance to the page titled Let's Get Started for some information about how to navigate this site. To advance to that or any next page or module, just click the greater than button below or the two little greater than symbols on your left margin to expand the table of contents.
It's such a privilege for us to be part of your early orientation experience and witness your entry into academic life at SUNY Plattsburgh. Welcome home.